Welcome to the video lecture on course Advanced Data Structures, and the topic is about additional operations on single linked list. In my previous lecture, I have discussed about insertion operations, division operations and traversing in single linked list. Additional operations on single linked list. Counting number of elements in the list, reverse the elements in the list, search an element in the linked list, sort data present in the list. Counting number of elements. To count number of nodes present in the linked list, we consider a variable count and initialize to 0. Use a temporary variable point to the head. Now start counting the nodes traversing to the list from head using temporary variable. Increment count by 1 until temp equal to null. If this condition encounters, exit from the loop and print count of the nodes. In our example, there are 4 nodes present in the linked list, so the count equal to 4. And the next operation is reverse the element in the list. We need to reverse the list by changing links between the nodes. So first, initialize 3 pointers, say current, previous and next. Initialize current to head, current equal to head. Pointer variables previous and next are pointing to null. Iterate through the linked list while current not equal to null. Current is pointing to 2000 address, it is not equal to null. So next is equal to current of next. So current of next is 2004, next is pointing to current of next. And current of next is equal to previous. Current of next is updating with previous. So previous contains null value and the current of next, this is current of next pointing to null value. Previous is equal to current. Now my previous is pointing to current. Current is equal to next. Current equal to next. Again iterate the loop, current not equal to null. Yes, condition true. Current is pointing to 2004 address. Next is equal to current of next. Yes, next equal to current of next. Current of next is equal to previous. So current of next is equal to previous. The red represents the latest updation. And previous is equal to current. Current is equal to current of next. Again, iterate the loop, current not equal to null. That is condition true, current equal to null. So condition fails, exit from the loop, head equal to previous. We are pointing the head variable to the previous node. Now, elements in the list are 30, 20, 10 respectively. And the next operation is searching an element in the list. Searching is performed in order to find a location of particular element in the list. Searching any element in the linked list means traversing through the list and make the comparison of every element of the list with the specified element. If the element is matched with any of the list element, then the location of the element is returned from function. Here we are using temporary variable for traversing through the list and comparing the temporary variable data to the actual data which is to be searched. So if it is found, we are using another variable flag and updating to true. If element found, we are exiting from the loop. Else increment I that is equal to temp equal to temporary of link. Again iterate the loop until we get temp equal to null. If temporary variable equal to null, we are at end of the list. So there is no element present in the list. Flag will be false. So after exiting from the while loop, we are displaying that if flag equal to true, element found at particular position. If flag else, element not present in the list. And the last operation is sort the elements. To arrange nodes in ascending or descending order on the basis of data present in the node is known as sorting. Here we need to sort the nodes from the given linked list in ascending order. To accomplish this task, we maintain two pointers. First one is current and the next one is index. Initially current is pointing to head and index will point to the next to current. Traverse to the list till current point to null by comparing current of data, that is current of data is 9 is greater than index of data. Yes, 9 is greater than 7. So if condition is true, using some temporary variable, we exchange the data of current and index. So the green blocks represent exchange of data. We have exchanged current of data to index of data. Index of data is temporary variable data. We use temporary variable to exchange the data. Now increment the index by 1. Now my index is pointing to the node 2. Again compare current of data, that is 7 greater than index of data. Condition again true. So exchange the data of current of data and index of data using some temporary variable. In the next, green blocks represent exchange of data. Now index is equal to index of link. 2 is compared with 5. 2 is not greater than 5. So again index equal to index of next. 2 is not greater than 4. Again index equal to index of next. Now my index is pointing to null. So if index equal to null, update current to current of next. That is the first node, that is pink color node, represents it is already in sorted order. Now we have to sort from current to the last node. Now current is pointing to 9, index is pointing the next of current. Now repeat the same process until current equal to null to get the sorted list of data. The programming structure to be followed. After discussing all the operations in single linked list, to write the program of single linked list, these are the steps to be followed. First, step 1. Include header files which are to be used in the program. Second one, declare all the user-defined functions. Third step, define a node structure with two members, data and link. Step 4, define the node pointer head and set it to null. Step 5, implement the main method by displaying operations menu and make suitable function calls in the main method to perform user selected operations. If you follow all these 5 steps, we can execute single linked list program and perform user selected operations. In this lecture, we have discussed additional operations performed on single linked list and how to write the program using all the operations discussed in single linked list. If you like the video, please do subscribe. Thank you.